In this video, I will show with you how to log in Swedbank online without any problem. So let's get started. First, guys, go to Google and search for Swedbank. Click on the first result here. After that, click on login option. When you click on login option, you have different things you can do here. Choose this language English. This is for language. After click on language here, click accept. From here, write your personal identity number here, guys. Your personal identity number. After that, click secure token or click login option. So guys, this is how you can do. If you want to log in through app, just download this app on Google Play or App Store. After download this app, you can log in with your Swed personal number. So guys, it is easy steps. I hope this guide up for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video. You can also log in with your bank ID on card. Just click this option and write your ID card and then click login. So guys, if you have any problem, down below in the comment and I will answer your question.